Tax season is here. Are you prepared? Hello, I'm Deborah Cedillo-Dugan, and welcome to another City Update. Now, if you've earned less than $54,000 in 2015, you can get your taxes prepared for free. That's right, and joining me now with more details is Briselda Rodriguez. She's with the city's Human Services Department. Briselda, it's great seeing you.
Thank you, nice to see you.
You do a wonderful community service for our residents and our neighbors. So tell me about the program.
Well, it's actually the city's Earned Income Tax Credit campaign. This is our 13th year that we've had this campaign where we provide free tax preparation and e-filing services to the community. And as you said, anyone who's earned under $54,000 for the year of 2015.
Okay, so we're talking single moms, it could be students, It could be dads, you know, retired but have maybe gone back to work. So there's all walks of life.
Exactly. We have many people that come in to our different sites to have their taxes prepared. Some of them might be unemployed now. They were employed last year. It really doesn't matter. The only importance is that they earned under $54,000 last year. We are limited to some types of taxes we can complete, so we have all that information on our internet page, and you can find out what tax returns we do complete and don't complete. But for the most part, we complete a lot of taxes that help a lot of people with different credits and exemptions.
Okay, so how does it work? How many different locations can people go to? Do they need to make an appointment? Can they show up? What do they need to bring?
Okay, well, our sites officially open January 25th, and they're open until April 18th this year.
Which is a little later. Tax season's a little later
It
this
is.
year.
The federal government extended our filing season until the 18th because the 15th is a federal holiday, which is on a Friday, so we're extending it until that Monday, the 18th of April. And so we have 18 locations. People can come. A lot of the locations are first come, first serve. Some of them are by appointment only, where you can call and schedule an appointment for your convenience. And so you come in, you bring in your documentation. Most important is you bring your picture ID, social security card for yourself or any dependents that you're declaring on your return. If you're married, your spouse needs to come with you, along with their picture ID and social security card.
Okay, excellent. And then receipts, I mean, you know, you get your W-2 forms, but if you're having a lot of...
Very important. Bring in your W-2 forms, any source of verification of income you receive, whether it's 1099s, and also for people, for example, if you're going to school, you might be eligible for a credit for your tuition and educational fees. If you're paying student loan interest, you can receive a deduction with that. If you're paying for daycare expenses while you're working, you know, there's credits for that. There's child tax credits if you have children, if you're income eligible for that. But most important is the earned income tax credit. There's a lot of individuals that aren't aware that they're eligible for this credit and haven't had their taxes prepared correctly. And our program specifically is to allow the community to be aware that you are eligible for this credit if you work based on your income and your household size. And we look to provide you with that credit because it's been one of the credits that's been proven to help lift people out of poverty. And so this year, the government actually made it a permanent credit, and so it's going to stay with us, and so we're excited about that.
Oh, that's excellent. And again, it's such a wonderful, wonderful service.
Exactly.
So again, let's just recap, $54,000
Yes.
or less if they've earned in the year 2015.
Correct.
That they have to make an appointment or can show up at one of, how many different sites do you have?
We have 18 different
18,
sites.
that's right.
Yes.
Okay. And what are the hours of operation?
They vary. We have some open during the day, during the weekday. We have some open in the evenings for people that work during the day. And also most of our sites are open on Saturday mornings.
Okay, most important question. Who are the people actually helping them prepare for their taxes?
Great question. Actually, they're all volunteers. Our program is 100% volunteer driven, and so we look for people that are interested in learning to prepare taxes or have a history and, you know, some experience in preparing taxes. And so we provide them all the free training, and so all of our volunteers have undergone through IRS certified training during the winter, in the fall, and so they become advanced or basic certified tax preparers, and so they're able to provide the service to the community. So this year we are lucky to have almost 300 volunteers to help us with this program.
So they're certified, they go through training, and they just want to help out and give back to the community.
Exactly, and we have a lot of volunteers, retirees. Some, like I said, have CPA accounting backgrounds. Wow. We have some students that are doing this as a student service learning experience. We have just individuals that are interested in giving back to the community that come out and help us every year.
Well, again, you're doing such a great job and a wonderful community service for our community here in Phoenix. So you heard it from Briselda. If you need to get those taxes and you've earned $54,000 or less, give them a call. Thanks again for joining us.
You're welcome.
So you can call with questions at 1-800-906-9887 or visit phoenix.gov/EITC. For a City Update, I'm Deborah Cedillo Dugan.